What is reality? And moreover, क्या आप अपनी reality खुद बनाना चाहते हो? Hi, I am Anshul Bajaj, and in this video of धंधे की बात बजाज के साथ, I am gonna share with you a system of surrendered manifestation. Yes, surrendered manifestation. ये जो वीडियो है, this could be like a short master class for you on manifestation. And I want you to watch this video till the end because I give you the exact steps that you need to do to actually master this system. So are you ready? Let's dive in. So क्या आप ऐसे किसी लोगों को जानते हो जो बहुत गोल राइटिंग करते हैं, एफर्मेशंस करते हैं, बट यू नो दे ऑलवेज कीप सेइंग दैट आई डोंट नो, दैट मैनिफेस्टेशन कुछ होता नहीं है, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी, आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग सो हार्ड. मे बी दैट पर्सन इज यू एंड आई वांट टू आस्क यू that what really is reality. So let's go down into deeper levels of reality and then we'll go into the system of surrendered manifestation. See, reality operates at different levels. पहला लेवल जो reality का होता है वो होता है reality in your physical form. तो जो भी हम चीजें देखते हैं, for example which are tangible, for example money, car, a house, whatever you think are tangible things for you are things that exist in their physical form, right? When we go a layer deeper, जब इस चीज को क्वांटम फिजिक्स ने, साइंस ने इस पे सर्च करी, when they went into a layer deeper, the second level of reality, they said that beyond physical form everything has a atomic level. और हर चीज, कुछ प्रोटॉन्स, पार्टिकल्स है, एटम्स है at their subatomic level. So हो सकता है हमें कोई चीज हार्ड लग रही है, कोई चीज सॉफ्ट लग रही है, कोई लिक्विड है, कोई अलग है, but when you boil down into the next level, it is atoms. The third level, when the scientist went, when the quantum physicist went into it, they said that reality exists at third level, which is subatomic. Subatomic का क्या मतलब है कि लोग जो पार्टिकल्स हैं ये मतलब स्टैग्नेंट नहीं है, ये रुके हुए नहीं है, they are vibrating. All these particles, everything that you see, for example this table is made up of atoms, and those atoms are not stagnant, they are not, you know, just lying there, they are vibrating. It's frequency, but because humans have a bandwidth of perception, हमें वो चीज atomic level पे दिखती नहीं है, वो vibration atomic level पर समझ नहीं आती है. The fourth thing that does not, by the way, stop here. The fourth thing that people went is something they call as the quantum field of frequency. What do they call? They said quantum field of frequency. इसका क्या मतलब है कि हर चीज at its very fundamental level is frequency, and it is frequency that is creating energy. You know, when we say in business, we talk about money. Do you know what is your real currency? It's frequency. Frequency is your real currency. It's the starting point of everything, from even if you are no one to someone who wants to become really successful, really rich, really fulfilled life. It's about frequency, and that's what the quantum thing does. The scientists, the physicists didn't stop there, my friend. They went a layer deeper. They said, what is reality? They said something which they called as the observer effect. क्या बोला उन्होंने? Observer effect. इसका क्या मतलब है? That anything that we start observing in the right frequency starts taking that shape and form. कोई चीज को हम जब उस फ्रीक्वेंसी को ऑब्जर्व करने लग जाते हैं तो वो एक अलग शेप, एक अलग फॉर्म, एक अलग चीज बन जाती है. There's this guy who said this very beautifully. He said, change the way you look at things and the things you look at change. मतलब आप अपने देखने का नजरिए को, जिस चीज को बदलोगे तो वो जो चीज है वो भी बदल जाएगी. And this they call it as the observer effect. But you know, there's one last level of reality. There's one last level, and that is called as the vortex. That is called as the void. It means that उसके भी, एटम के भी बिल्कुल उसमें, फ्रीक्वेंसी के बाद भी, the atom at its very basic level is just a void. And why I'm gonna tell you this, maybe अभी तक आप शायद हो सकता है थोड़े से बोर हो गए हो, क्यूरियस हो गए हो, I don't know the your state, but I want to tell you why I'm sharing this, because it's like an all-encompassing reality. It's like we live out of nothingness and we live out of everything. Some people call this nothingness as God. but the science called this as the vortex or the void. Why I'm sharing this with you is because अगर आप अपनी रियलिटी बनाना चाहते हो, अगर आप वो चीज चाहते हो जो आपको चाहिए, कुछ मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हो, बेहतर हेल्थ, बेहतर रिलेशनशिप्स, अच्छी इनकम, you my friend has the power to influence this void and it changes its shapes, it changes its forms. वो चीजें अपने आप अलाइन हो सकती है. Do you understand this by now? Yes or yes? Now let's come down to the surrendered manifestation method. Are you ready for this? So पहली बात तो I learned this method from Reagan Healer. I did her program called Master of Manifestation and I learned this from her, and this has fundamentally shifted how I approach manifestation, and I hope my intent is that it does the same for you. So the first step is of the surrendered manifestation step is, are we operating from our ego or are we operating from our soul? It's your ego versus your soul. क्या मतलब है इस बात का? कैसे आप अपना गोल बनाते हो? हाउ डू यू डिसाइड दैट यू वांट समथिंग? इज इट बिकॉज मेरे दोस्त ने ये गाड़ी ले ली, मेरे को ये गाड़ी लेनी है? इज इट बिकॉज उसने ये ब्रांड पहना, उस एक्टर ने ऐसा किया, उस आदमी ने ऐसा घर ले लिया, इसलिए मुझे ये चाहिए? और इज योर गोल, इज योर डिजायर रियली कमिंग फ्रॉम द सोल? आई वॉन्ट टू ब्रेक समथिंग टू यू माई फ्रेंड इन दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको कोई चीज का डिजायर आ रहा है बार बार, अगर आप कोई किसी चीज का अंदर से आ रहा है कि नहीं यार ये करना है, आई रियली वांट दिस, मुझे ये चीज पानी है, सो दैट व्हाट दैट मीन्स इज कि वो आपकी जो फ्यूचर है, उस फ्यूचर में वो चीज आपके लिए ऑलरेडी लिखी गई है. यू आर मेंट टू हैव दिस थिंग. द डिजायर, द वर्ड डिजायर in its Latin terms means coming from God, coming from your father, and that thing already exists in the future, and that is why your soul is again and again coming back to you saying that, hey, grab this thing, this is yours, show up for this thing. And most people, fail to listen to their soul's voice. वो चीज आपके लिए बनी है. So there's this concept in this universe where they say that there are many different forms of reality that exists. So जो आपका डिजायर है, एक रियलिटी, वो एक फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐसी एग्जिस्ट करती है जहां पर वो चीज ऑलरेडी आपके पास आ गई है. एंड दिस इज फर्स्ट प्लेस टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम. बहुत लोग एक हसल से मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं, गोल लिखे जा रहे हैं और एफर्मेशंस करे जा रहे हैं, एंड अगेन दे फेल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे कम बैक टू से कि यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा. दे डू अ कंट्रोल्ड प्रोसेस, दे आर ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल समथिंग. But manifestation happens through surrendering. Manifestation happens through surrendering. बहुत लोग पता है गोल्स कैसे बनाते हैं कि लास्ट ईयर मैंने ये इनकम कमाई, लास्ट ईयर मैंने ये टर्नओवर किया, तो इस साल मैं इतना रेवेन्यू करूंगा, इस साल मैं इतना इनकम कमाऊंगा. But they make goals from their logic. But that's not how soul works. A lot of times you will make goals and your people, your relatives, your friends, they might say, okay, what is this illogical? How can we achieve this growth? How can you do this? And sometimes we stop ourselves. We let those external voices or our internal voice stop us. But I want to tell you that the soul does not understand logic. If it's a goal coming from your soul, act on it, manifest it. First see, filter out. Action point क्या है? Filter out कि मेरे अभी क्या डिजायर्स है, और क्या ये मेरी सोल से आ रहे हैं क्या, या फिर ये कोई और किसी सिंड्रोम से आ रहे हैं, मैंने लोगों को देखा या इसीलिए मैं चाहता हूं. इज इट दैट? दैट्स फर्स्ट स्टेप. आर यू क्लियर विद दिस? द सेकेंड स्टेप इज व्हाट आई कॉल्ड एज आइडेंटिटी रिकैलिब्रेशन. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? आइडेंटिटी रिकैलिब्रेशन. व्हाट दिस मीन्स इज दैट द पर्सन हु वांट्स टू मैनिफेस्ट दैट मनी, द पर्सन हु वांट्स टू मैनिफेस्ट दैट सक्सेस, दैट क्लाइंट, that person is a completely different person. मतलब कि आप अभी इस आइडेंटिटी, इस अवस्था में वो गोल को, वो लक्ष्य को मैनिफेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. बिकॉज मैनिफेस्टेशन का मतलब है दैट यू गेट व्हाट यू आर, नॉट व्हाट यू वांट, यू गेट व्हाट यू आर. तो इसका क्या मतलब है कि आपको उस तरह का बंदा बनना पड़ेगा, आपको उस तरह से शो अप करना पड़ेगा. लेट मी आस्क यू, लेट्स सपोज टुमारो यू वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट 2 crore rupees a month as your income. What do you think? एक कोई आदमी है, okay, let's play this as a game. Let's say there's a guy who earns 1 crore as his monthly income. What do you think? How does that guy live? How does that guy show up? How does that guy work? How does he dress up? What kind of etiquettes, what kind of mannerisms he carries himself with? क्या चीज आपके दिमाग में आती है? And the question to you, my friend, is अगर आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए कमाना है, क्या आप उस मैनरिज्म, उस तरह से शो अप कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, या आप सोच के बैठे हो कि नहीं, जब मैं 1 करोड़ कमाऊंगा तब मैं वैसा हो जाऊंगा, तब मैं उस तरह से जिंदगी जीऊंगा? इट डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दिस, माय फ्रेंड. माय मेंटर राहुल जैन सर सेज दैट ब्रिंग योर फ्यूचर इनटू योर प्रेजेंट. आपको क्या लगता है कि जब मेरा बिजनेस 1000 करोड़ का हो जाएगा तब मेरा ऑफिस कैसा होगा, तब मैं कैसे काम कर रहा हूँ? Start living like this. Now, you may not be able to 100% live like this, but at least start operating. अपना mindset shift तो कर सकते हो आज. Yes or yes. And this will change the game for you completely. This will accelerate your manifestation. So you know there's this thing in science, they call it quantum entanglement. क्या बोलते हैं? Quantum entanglement. क्या मतलब है इस बात का? That particles affect other particles. जो एक पार्टिकल है वो दूसरे पार्टिकल पे अपना असर डाल रहा है, इफेक्ट डाल रहा है. इसका क्या मतलब है कि जब आप अपने फ्यूचर आइडेंटिटी से आज ऑपरेट करने लग जाओगे तो आपके जो आज के हालात हैं, जो आज के सिचुएशंस हैं, ये इस चीज पर इफेक्ट डालेगा और ये चीज भी बदलने लग जाएगी. एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट डाउन व्हाट इज द एक्शन स्टेप. If this is my manifestation, then what identity I need to be. And this is not about faking. This is not about fake you till it make it. It is actually shifting your mindset. It is actually about operating from that mindset. The third step of the surrendered manifestation system is emotional rewiring. Yes, emotions is like energy in motion. Your emotions can either accelerate your manifestation or they can completely put your manifestation in a wrong downhole. What that means is that emotions are magnetic. They can either attract your manifestation or they can repel them. होता क्या है कि बहुत बार लाइफ में कुछ इमोशनल ब्लॉक्स हमारे रह जाते हैं, हमारी एनर्जी में, हमारी सोल में, हमारे अनकॉन्शियस में. Those could be related to fear, guilt, resentment, or just a low energy emotion, any low energy, sadness, separation. And what happens is that these emotions block our manifestation. So I want you to think like this, that we have an unconscious energy container. And it is our ability to receive our manifestation. It is our ability to actually emit that energy. और होता क्या है कि जब वो इमोशनल ब्लॉक्स रहते हैं, हम वो एनर्जी इतनी एमिट नहीं कर पाते, बिकॉज 99.9% टाइम आप अनकॉन्शियसली एक एनर्जी बाहर दे रहे हो. इट इज ओनली 1% और इवन लेस जहां पे आप कॉन्शियसली एक अच्छी एनर्जी में वाइब्रेट कर रहे होते हो. एंड दैट्स वेयर इमोशन रियली हेल्प्स यू. So what you need to do is you want to rewire those emotions, work on yourself. क्या ऐसे limiting emotions है? How can you work on it? And these days it's so much out there. You can learn from some trainers, coaches. You can watch videos on YouTube, but do this emotional mastery. Your emotional mastery is your manifestation mastery, my friend. So don't let this lose point. And last step is timeline therapy. Yes, what I mean by that is that time क्या है? What is actually time? Time is a concept. It is a thing that was created to give us some bit of measurability. But we and our consciousness does not understand the clock that operates. Our consciousness, our subconscious mind has a way of representing our past, present and future. और बहुत बार जो हमारा टाइम के साथ रिलेशनशिप होता है ना, वो इतना अच्छा नहीं होता. So a lot of times we say, अरे मेरे पास इस चीज के लिए टाइम नहीं है, I will work on my goals someday, and that date never happens. And if you want to truly master manifestation, you start having a great relationship with time. You must start believing that time is on your side, and this is gonna help you so much. I can't even tell you. If you want time to respect you, you start respecting time first. बहुत बार मैं लोगों से मिलता हूँ and they say, this is a bigger goal. ये गोल आने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, ये गोल तो इतने समय बाद होगा, अरे ये छोटी चीज है, ये जल्दी मैनिफेस्ट हो जाएगी. My friend, There is no such thing in big and small in this universe. It is the energy that you omit. It is the belief system that you are omitting. It is what you think is gonna happen. If you think इसमें बहुत time लगेगा, then yes, it's gonna take a lot of time. But if you think that you can scale up quickly, you can, live that life you want to truly live, it's में इतना time मिलेगा. It is just happening for me. Time is on my side. That's what's gonna happen. So what I want you to do as an action step is write 3 beliefs, 3 empowering beliefs for time. That maybe things happen to me in the divine timing. Time is by my side. I have a great relationship with time. Whatever works for you, write 3 beliefs and start changing this relationship with time. In the end, I want to tell you something. This life is very short. बहुत जल्दी समय निकल जाएगा, बहुत जल्दी time निकल जाएगा. From our childhood to our teenage to our adult life, and then people get married, they take on responsibility, and then eventually people get old. This life is gonna end very soon. Do you want to live life on your terms? Do you want to create this life? Or do you want your circumstances, people throwing things at you, your job or your work, which just stops you from maybe living the full life? हाँ, बीच बीच में आप कुछ वेकेशंस कर लेते हो, कुछ छुट्टियां ले लेते हो, कुछ 2-4 अच्छे काम कर लेते हो. But is that the life you truly want to live? If your answer is no, I urge you, start creating your life. You are a born creator, you are a born manifester, and you can create the life you truly deserve. Thank you.